Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can switch the theme to dark mode on YouTube and how you can set the system theme so that whenever your system is in dark mode, your YouTube will be dark mode, and whenever your system is in light mode, your YouTube will also be in light mode. So it's pretty simple. Just click on your profile icon here on the top, and here you will see appearance light. So if I just change it to dark theme, your YouTube will reload and it will automatically be changed to dark theme. And I can just switch it again to light theme by switching it here. But if I want to use device theme, what I'll do is I'll click on use device theme. So that means that if my device is in dark mode, YouTube will be dark. And if I change my device's mode to, let's say, light, as you can see from the screen here, this icon here, YouTube has been changed to light, but only the top has been changed. So if I refresh this, YouTube will have been switched to white mode or light mode. So this is how you can easily switch from dark mode to light mode on YouTube. If you have any questions, type it in the comments below.